Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change iPhone text size for a specific app. So let's jump right in. To change iPhone text size for a specific app, first, you should add the text size feature on your control center. So, scroll down from the top right corner of your screen and open the control center. Press and hold onto the empty space. Tap on the Add a Control option. Find and tap on the text size feature to add it to the control center. Now, open the app where you want to change the text size. Again, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Tap on the text size icon. A slider will appear. Select this app only option at the bottom left corner of the screen. Then use the slider to increase and decrease the text size for that specific app. And this is how you can change iPhone text size for a specific app. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.